What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back with another video, and today we're gonna show you a brand new device that you need for everyday life from now on, I guess. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit the notification bell so you can be notified of the next videos to come of tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. Make sure to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. So without further ado, let's unbox this. Here we go. Today we're looking at the thermometer. This is pretty much a clinical forehead thermometer that you will use from now on apparently. Basically, if you have a store or maybe you are trying to start, you want people to come over and stuff like that, you want to make sure their temperature is up to par, this is the one that you need. So here we're going to unbox this today, show you how it works, and let's see how well it works as well. So here we go. The box and literature right there, the thermometer itself. What I like about this as well is it's quite small. Very sleek design, as you can see there. Buttons right there. And the battery part right there. As you can see there. It takes in triple A's. There you go. And then pretty simple looking device. Very nice looking. Let's take off the plastic. There you go. So here it is, just gonna install the batteries right here, 2 AAA's like I said earlier. There you go. Install it just like that, it'll start up and you're good to go. So basically with what's going on right now, basically with the Rona, basically you'll need one of these. Every store, everywhere you go, you'll need one of these. And we use this actually in our church because every time someone visits the place, we have to shoot them and make sure that they don't have the Rona or anything like that. To start it up, just press the M right there. Then if you want to shoot someone, you just hit the temperature. There you go. You can change this to body temperature. As you can see there, you can change it to body temperature or surface temperature. That's pretty good. This also has Fahrenheit and Celsius. So here we're going to change the temperature measurement from Fahrenheit to Celsius. How you want to do that is hold the minus button till it shows up. We need to go to switch it to F4. There you go. And then you hit this 3 times and then you hit plus to switch it up to Celsius right there. And then turn off the device. There you go. So once you turn it on again, you'll see that it's gonna measure on Celsius. So now that we've changed it to Celsius, we can try to hit myself right here by pointing it to myself like this and then hitting the temperature button. There you go. It says that it's 33.1. Pretty good. Let's try that again. Maybe it's a different reading. There you go. 32.4. Pretty good. This is actually recommended for taking temperatures on babies. This is the best part about this is you don't have to touch the person or anything like that to take their temperature. So this is the best part for that. You can use it for that. Now we're going to test it out on a surface reading because you can use this for surface reading, reading the temperature on surfaces as well. Now if you want to measure that surface, what you need to do is turn it on. And then you have to click the minus and it will says surface temp and then you can shoot it. There you go. It says that it's 27.5. About here is 31.3. As you could see there. There you go. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on the temp gun. Basically, you'll need this if you have a little kid and maybe you have a store and you're letting people in, even your home, and you want to make sure that you are safe and they're not bringing the Rona in your house, then you need one of these. Make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit the notification bell so you can be notified of next videos to come. Make sure to share this to your friends as well so that we can spread the word. And this is pretty cheap as well. I'll link this down below if you want to get one yourself. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. Peace.